Hi guys, I am Aryan from Tech of Today. Today we will be unboxing this Narang RGB strip lights. Now let's unbox it. So this strip light is 10 meters and this is a multicolor. This Narang strip lights have many customization in their website like 100 LEDs per meter and 180 LEDs per meter. So I have ordered 100 LEDs per meter, and they are also having the sizes from all the way up to 50 centimeters and 50 meters. So lots of plastic packages. Okay, so here first comes the remote. So it is come with a plastic cover. So here there are many modes which you can choose from. This is the on and off switch, and this is for brightness, I guess. And these are a whole different color options and some modes for the light. We'll test it out. And there's some kind of device. Okay. So this whole light is a waterproof light. You can see they have coated with the plastic, so everything is completely waterproof. So here is the sensor for the remote and the plug. So now let's open it and see what cells are there. So they have already made the connections and kept it here. I guess we can remove this. Oh no, okay, we can't. So now let me plug this and see how it will work. So guys, I have plugged this LED strip into the plug. So now let's switch it on and see. Wow, it's amazing. So now I have chosen this color and this and this. So there are many options which we can choose from. So this is the lowest brightness and we'll go to the highest brightness. So very bright lights. So now let's choose these modes. This is flash and strobe and fade. Sorry for the glitches in the camera due to the light that happens. And smooth. So the color changes very smoothly. You can see so. So they didn't provide any glue in the back of the lights. So now let's check with that also. So guys, I finally stuck the strip light. It was a bit hard job to stick it because it was not having any glue at the back side, and it even came out good. I just stuck this with the cello tape. So as you see, so in my room I just covered a L shape with this light, and it's a bit hard to put because they are having the tough waterproof rubber, so it get tangled up sometimes. So now let's switch it on and see. Wow, it's looking good. So this light is even very much bright, and it's making your room look good. So I hope you like this video. If you do so, please subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you.